Hello marketers, welcome to another episode of my channel. In this video, we will explore how we marketers can use confirmation bias in marketing communication. To be precise in brand positioning, community building, audience engagement, conversion rate optimization, revenue generation, and everything where we actually use brand messaging. So let me start the episode with the definition of confirmation bias. Okay? Confirmation bias is an inherent part of human brain. Every human being has their own opinions and beliefs and they stubbornly maintain that. So now if you confront them with the facts that exposes their opinions as objectively false, they will downplay your effort and they will ignore your information entirely. And what they will do, they will collect the information that supports their own assumptions and they will recall the information that is compatible with their opinion. And that's a very natural human tendency. Self-validation of their pre-existing bias is commonly known as confirmation bias. If you use this confirmation bias in marketing communication efficiently, you can earn their trust, you can gain their approval, and even you can get one step closer to the completion of sales deal. So now the question is how you can leverage confirmation bias in your marketing communication. So in this video, we will explore how you can find out which implicit assumptions your customers of your industry have in their mind and how you can confirm them through the marketing communication. Okay, here I will share a few tips about how brands are consciously toying with confirmation bias in their marketing communication. The point number one is taking advantages of social banalities and stereotypes. If you think that your industry doesn't have a good reputation or doesn't have a reputation for trustworthiness, for example, healthcare industry, real estate industries, there are a lot of negative assumptions people have in their mind. You can seize upon those assumptions in your marketing communication. You can examine what counter theses are there in people's mind. You can tell stories around that to build upon positive presumptions. If you can do it efficiently, people will trust you and people will believe your communication. They will fit like puzzle pieces in your company as well as industry's public image. If you think that people don't have positive associations with the industry you belong to, that means there is a specific issue for which people hope to find a solution. And people want to believe that there is a solution to their problem. Here you can play off confirmation bias by promising them a feasible remedy for their problem. Okay? So the more familiar you are with your customer's pain point, the more likely your customers are to select your brand over a competitor. But one thing we should remember that many customers don't have, often not much aware of their problem. By addressing their pain points, we need to confirm their unconscious fears. Once they are receptive, they will start believing your communication. They will feel more comfortable with your brand. Before making the purchasing decision, customers often try to check whether the seller is trustworthy or not. And we all know that without this trust, sales cannot happen. Even a customer is interested in a product, they would still look for indicators to confirm that they have found a competent seller. So as a marketer, you should satisfy your customers' wishes by publishing positive customer testimonials on your social media channels and website so that people can get an impression that your product is trustworthy and it is sensible to make business with you. So by doing this, you can give your prospective customers the necessary nudge to make the purchasing decision. Okay? When someone is buying something from your website, no matter whether it is a small amount of transaction, big amount one, the person has a strong desire to ensure that their money is being well invested. And you as a marketer, you need to address this by sending them a thank you message right after the transaction. You can send them suggestion about few tips about how they can use your product, and you can send them discount for their next purchase. You can send them free goodies also. And this would definitely let them leave your website with a smile on their face. And they will feel affirmed in their decision, in their choice of the brand like you. And that's how you can make a good relationship with your customers. You can make them feel good about your service, and this would definitely help them rationalize their purchasing decision. Do you know why the prices ending in 99 are so popular? It seems more attractive than a 00 price, isn't it? So what is the reason behind it? Because customer latch onto the number before the decimal point as an anchor. And it makes the product price look lesser than what it is actually. But it is only true when the anchor part of the price decreases. But customer don't usually understand that. Customer don't think about it logically. So it means more than the 99 part of the price, it is more about the effect of anchor part of the price. So if you can use it effectively in your pricing strategy, you can definitely increase your sales. Your discount strategy should appear as attractive as possible. You should indicate the price difference either as a percentage or as money saving. You should remember that customer cannot quickly calculate how much money they are saving. Their brain only registers is, what a beautiful bargain, don't miss out it. So that means you need to create a fear of missing out in their mind. For example, if your product price is 900 rupees and you want to sell it at 625 rupees, a reduction from 900 to 625 corresponding to a 25% discount, and which is much more better than 225 rupees discount. On the other hand, if your product price is on the higher side, above 10,000, here you should quantify how much money your customer is saving if they buy any particular product. For example, if your product price is 15,000 and you want to offer a 25% discount, there you should mention that 3,750 rupees they can save if they buy that product. That sounds much better than a 25% discount, isn't it? In this video, we have explored 6 types of confirmation biases. I personally believe that instead of spending countless hours and marketing dollars on trying to sway people's opinions, it is much easier to support and facilitate their pre-existing biases, to rationalize and confirm their choices. And that's how we can develop a customer base who will feel good about our brand and will remain loyal well into the future. And that's it from my side for today. Now I would love to know your ideas. Please do comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.